Today, whales glide through the ocean like natural submarines, massive, elegant, and unmistakably built for the sea. But what if I told you their ancestors had feet and used them to walk on land? Around 50 million years ago, the ancestors of modern whales lived along lush riverbanks. They looked nothing like whales, more like wolf-sized mammals with 4 sturdy legs. One of the earliest known species, Pakicetus, even had hooves. It hunted fish but still relied on land. Over time, these creatures began spending more of their lives in the water, chasing food, avoiding predators, and slowly adapting. Ambulocetus, literally the walking whale, was a key step. It looked like a crocodile with fur and could both walk and swim. Then came Pakicetus, with shorter limbs and a more powerful tail. Eventually, their bodies streamlined, legs became flippers, nostrils migrated to the top of the head, ears adapted to hear underwater. But evolution doesn't delete, it repurposes, and modern whales still carry the evidence. Hidden deep inside their bodies are tiny pelvic bones, remnants of legs they no longer need. For a while, scientists thought these bones were useless, but now we know they anchor key reproductive muscles, especially in males. So yes, whales have hips, but they don't lie. They're leftovers with a side job. As climate and ecosystems shifted, whales moved fully into the oceans. Some became filter feeders. Others, like orcas and dolphins, developed echolocation and complex social behavior. All of them are descendants of land-walking mammals that returned to the sea and transformed. And it's not just whales. Other marine mammals like seals and manatees also evolved from land-dwelling ancestors. In each of these cases, the transition back to the water was driven by major changes in the environment, like rising sea levels and shifting coastlines. Whales, though, are one of the clearest, most astonishing examples of evolution in action. Their bones, DNA, and even the way their young develop in the womb all tell a story that reminds us evolution doesn't move in straight lines. It experiments, adapts, and sometimes sends giants swimming through the past.
Like the sun after rain.